Hey everyone, I tested 8 free AI image generators to find out which one is actually worth your time. From stunning art to total fails, some surprised me and one clearly stood out as the best. Let's jump in. Canva's AI image generator is beginner-friendly, fast, and integrated right inside the design tool. It's great for quick social media content, but the art style is pretty basic. Best for casual users and content creators. Canva's AI image generator is beginner-friendly, fast, and integrated right inside the design tool. It's great for quick social media content, but the art style is pretty basic. Best for casual users and content creators. However, the art quality is more basic and functional than artistic or cinematic. It lacks deep customization, and the details can be blurry compared to tools like Leonardo or Firefly. Then describe what you want to create. Select then what image you want to use. When images have been generated, you can choose Style. After that, click Generate. Next, CgDream AI. It focuses on high-quality, anime style, and semi-realistic art. It's fast and gives you detailed control over prompts. However, it's lesser known and still developing. CgDream is an underrated but surprisingly powerful AI image generator, especially for people who love anime, semi-realistic characters, fantasy, and game-style visuals. The interface is clean and easy to use. It's still a bit of a hidden gem. After you have written prompt, you can choose Style and then Generate. You see how great this image is? CgDream is great for anime, character, and fantasy-style art, offering high-resolution images with impressive emotional detail. It's free to use with generous generation limits and includes features like upscaling and advanced prompt controls. However, the interface can be a bit slow, the platform is still growing with a smaller community, and it's not the best choice for general-purpose design tasks like logos or UI elements. Next, dall-e. If you're already using ChatGPT, the built-in dall-e tool is super convenient. You can generate images right in your chat. The quality is solid, but not ultra-detailed. ChatGPT makes image generation easy and seamless, with no technical skills needed. Its built-in dall-e tool is great for quick concept art and even allows smart in-painting to edit parts of an image. However, the image quality is more basic than detailed, prompt control is limited, and it's better suited for general or illustrative use rather than professional design. Next, Firefly is powerful and polished. With amazing design-level controls, it shines in generating photorealistic or professional content. Some features may require login. Best for photographers, designers, and pros. Adobe Firefly offers high-quality, professional-looking images with advanced style options and excellent text-to-image accuracy. It's easy to use and integrates well with Adobe tools, making it ideal for designers and marketers. However, some features require an Adobe account. Adobe Firefly is designed with professional creators in mind. It produces high-quality, detailed images with a strong focus on accuracy and style consistency. Whether you want realistic product shots, digital paintings, or text effects, Firefly delivers polished results that feel production-ready. What sets it apart is how well it integrates with the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem, like Photoshop and Illustrator. You can generate images and bring them directly into your design workflow, making it a top choice for professionals. Firefly also includes unique tools like text effects, generative fill, and content style generation, making it more than just a basic image generator. However, it does require an Adobe login, and while it's accessible to free users, some features are gated behind a subscription. It's also not as flexible or fast as some open source models when it comes to experimental prompts. Best for graphic designers, marketers, and professionals who want refined, high-quality images that are ready to use in commercial designs or creative projects. When you have written prompt, you get prompt suggestions that you can choose from. Next, Kittl. Kittl's AI image tool is tailored for graphic designers. Think logos, t-shirts, and posters. It's not the best for fantasy art, but perfect for clean commercial designs. Best for print on demand and brand visuals. Kittl is ideal for creating clean, high-quality logos, t-shirts, and print designs with strong typography tools and an easy-to-use interface. It excels in vector style and commercial-ready graphics. However, it's limited in creative flexibility, not suited for fantasy or realistic art, and some advanced features are behind a paywall. When you have written prompt, click Generate the image. Next, Leonardo AI, it is packed with custom styles, and it's especially strong at game assets, fantasy art, and cinematic visuals. The interface is smooth and results are sharp. Leonardo AI is a powerhouse platform designed for creators seeking both versatility and precision. Its diverse set of models like Phoenix, Photoreal, Anime XL, Lightning XL, and Cinematic Kino XL allows you to generate everything from photorealistic portraits and cinematic scenes to bold illustrations, anime, or concept art. You can tweak prompts with negative guidance, reference images, style presets, and precise aspect ratios, making it a top choice for those who value granular control. On the usability side, it's beginner-friendly yet feature-rich. You don't need Discord or technical setup, unlike Midjourney, and the UI guides you through generation, editing, and refinement in a smooth workflow. Leonardo AI offers highly detailed, professional-quality images with a wide variety of styles, from photorealism to anime and cinematic art. It includes powerful tools like in-painting, upscaling, and an AI canvas editor, all within an intuitive, non-technical interface. However, the free plan has daily credit limits. Some advanced models consume more credits, and the interface can feel overwhelming at first for new users. Runway ML is a robust cloud-based creative platform that goes far beyond static AI art. It's built for multimodal content, including image generation, editing, and video creation. With its Gen 3 Alpha and Gen 4 models, you can turn text or images into short videos, animate static scenes, and manipulate footage with tools like background removal, motion tracking, in-painting, and voice lip-syncing. Runway ML is a powerful platform for generating both images and videos with advanced editing tools like in-painting, background removal, and motion tracking. It's great for creators working with multimedia content, offering features not found in most AI image tools. However, its interface can be complex for beginners. The free plan has limited credits and watermarks, and output quality can vary, especially in video generation. When you have created prompts, you can choose style for the image. SeaArt is a rising star. It supports different styles like anime, realistic, and fantasy with great community models. It's surprisingly powerful for a free tool. SeaArt AI is a feature-rich browser-based platform that's ideal for transforming text or images into polished visuals or short videos. It supports a vast range of art styles, from realistic portraits in anime to sci-fi and abstract, via thousands of models, including custom options like LoRa and ControlNet. The tool allows styling guidance, face restoration, upscaling, and even AI character chat experiences through its CyberPub community integration. Plus, it offers text-to-video and image-to-video generation, making it stand out among free tools for creators looking to do more than still images. SeaArt AI offers a wide variety of art styles and advanced tools like upscaling, image-to-image generation, and even video output, all in a user-friendly interface. It's great for hobbyists, marketers, and indie creators seeking diverse creative control. However, the free trial is limited, and users report stability issues like app crashes, pink screen glitches, and trouble canceling subscriptions, with customer service being unresponsive at times. So after testing all 8 tools side by side, Leonardo AI clearly stood out for me. The image quality was consistently sharp, the level of prompt control was impressive, and the variety of styles made it incredibly versatile. Whether I was aiming for cinematic realism, anime, or fantasy art, it handled everything with ease. And the fact that so many of its features are available for free, that's a huge win. Of course, every tool has its strengths. Firefly is great for professionals, CgDream excels in anime, and Canva is super fast for casual use. But overall, Leonardo delivered the best balance of power, creativity, and usability. You'll find all the links to these AI tools in the description below. Check them out and try them for yourself. Now it's your turn. Which one do you think is the best? Have you tried any of these? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an AI review or tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.